Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to fix too many friends on Snapchat. So please note that you have some daily limit basis and lifetime basis limits on your Snapchat friends, like how many friends you can add a day and on lifetime of your account. So per day you can only add around 100 and 130 people, and for a lifetime you can only add 5,000 friends. But when it comes to someone adding you a friend, like they are sending you a request of being friends and not you are adding a request, you will not have this limit. For example, you have 5,000 friends and someone sends you a request to be friends and you can add this person. So, but if it still doesn't work, first thing you're gonna do, go to Snapchat, go to profile, and from here you're gonna search for, go to my friends and delete one of your unnecessary friends. Now of course it could be not useful for you, like you don't want to delete your friends and something like this. So we have another method. We're going to the settings at the top right and you're gonna search for I need help. You're gonna choose contact us and now search for your problem. I can't access my account, I want to report a safety concern. And you're gonna choose found a bug. From there you're gonna choose friends and adding, deleting or blocking friends. So you're gonna write some additional, like type in some additional information and then describe your issue. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please make sure that you liked and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.